In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change your WordPress Favicon, the tiny icon you see on your browser tab that makes your site look professional and easy to recognize. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple WordPress tips. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Settings, then click General. Scroll down until you find the Site Icon section. This is where you'll upload or change your favicon. Click Choose Site Icon. You can either pick an image from your media library or upload a new one from your computer. Just make sure it's a square image, at least 512 by 512 pixels, so it looks sharp on all devices. Once uploaded, preview how it looks, then hit Save Changes. That's it. Your site now has a fresh new favicon. Remember, if it doesn't update right away, clear your browser cache and check again. And there you go. A simple update that makes your site stand out. Subscribe for more quick WordPress guides.